Simran from 9th standard. I am here to say the difference between design and default. Before going to know about it, we should know what is design. Design is nothing but to say how something is planned. For example, you have set your alarm at 6 a.m. The phone rings in the morning and you wake up early in the morning. That's the design. You have planned it. Now let us know about default. Default is nothing but what happens automatically if it does not change anything. For example, you did not set your alarm, the phone does not ring in the morning, and you did not wake up at morning. That's the default. Remember, design is not just how it looks like, it's how it works like. Decide yourself. You are either living in design or default. Decide. Think. Think 5 or 10 minutes and decide. You are either living in design or default. Thank you. I thank Pavni teacher for inspiring me to speak and encouraging me a lot. Thank you. Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.